This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Rarely available 2-bedroom, 2-bath and unit townhome offering low-maintenance living in a convenient Shelby location. This corner unit features updated Pella replacement windows, newer gutters with gutter guards, and a brand new heat pump installed in 2024 for year-round comfort. The spacious primary suite includes a walk-in closet, jetted tub, and a separate dressing area. All appliances, including the washer and dryer, remain for added ease. Enjoy the bright sunroom overlooking the backyard. A great opportunity for comfortable living close to local amenities. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.